your Valley Storm Team forecast.
Overnight tonight, an increasing chance for showers, temperatures dropping into the mid-70s. The increasing chance for showers part, that's really the thumbnail for the whole forecast, is we are going to notice an increasing chance for showers overnight tonight, tomorrow, and then lasting through the end of the week and into the weekend. Here's a look at it. It passes on from tonight on through the overnight to tomorrow, and by afternoon we're right at 60%. So in the morning we start out with a chance for some showers and increasing clouds. Temperatures near 80 at 8 a.m. and by afternoon we're in the low to mid 90s and looking at the opportunity for showers, periods of steady rain, and rumbles. Now check it out, Valley style. 95 forecast high for McAllen, 92 Harlingen, and Brownsville, 88 degrees Port Isabel near the coast, but that good chance for showers throughout the Rio Grande Valley tomorrow. Futurecast shows that this is a group effort. We have that tropical moisture surging on in. So that's moisture at the lower levels and the mid-level. That has an impact, I'll explain. So you have all that moisture in place over the valley, and now when the sun is shining and warming things up, that creates lift. Also, the little east wind in the afternoon chugging on in, that bumps into the air and helps it to lift as well. There's a couple of mechanisms there, triggers to fire off the shower, to fire off that moisture in the form of showers. That's good. That means we will have that patchwork of showers, pockets of steady rain, and the occasional rumble of thunder because that mechanism, the fuel and the triggers will be there. We're going to throw in an extra trigger as we get to Friday and the weekend, a trough offshore. That will help even more. So there you go. How much rain could we see between now and the end of the week? Anywhere from 1/10 of an inch out west, 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch in the upper valley, and anywhere from 3/4 of an inch to 2 inches in the lower valley and the coast. So that's good news. Over several days, that's perfect. That's exactly what we need. And you can see that several day thing here in the graph very easily. 60% lasting through Saturday. We'll take a little bit of a break Sunday and Monday, but not much. Slow down, folks, when you hit that rain, especially those 2-minute gushers where the road gets really wet. You remember in driving class, right? When you're driving too fast on water, you'll lose traction on some of your tires because on slower speeds, the water just kind of gets flicked off the tire. But getting into higher speeds, now the water hugs the tire and rides all the way around. And then when you get to the higher speeds, the faster speeds, well, the water just starts pooling underneath the tire, and then you lose your traction. Hydroplaning. That's what it's called. So the weekend looks like Saturday's the best opportunity for rain and Sunday a little bit less so. But again, this is all going to be the same style of rain. Hit and miss activity all over the place for days. And we have a couple of activities going on in the Atlantic where we have Invest 92 that's forecast to move off to the western Atlantic. Not for us. And the next little wiggler coming off Africa. We'll see how about that one. That's a long, long ways off. Your 7-day forecast shows the opportunity for rain on a daily basis.